So move your hand out like this. Yeah, only one hand first. Now you have to tap on your thigh in a very rapid movement, alternating movements like this. Do it as fast as you can, okay? Alright. Start. Do it very swiftly. Yeah, clearly. Fast, very fast. As fast as you can. Yeah, nice. Stop. Now this hand. Okay, stop. This hand again. This again. Alright. Done. Okay. So Meet, now what you have to do is you have to keep your hand out and you have to touch your all of your fingers, all of your digits with your thumb in a very sequential manner like this. See. With 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it as fast as you can, okay? Start with the right hand. Yeah. Keep it like this. Keep it like this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Do it sequentially. Do it sequentially. Nice. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now this hand. Alright. Alright. In the air. Very normally. Very normally. You keep it there. Now what you have to do is you have to tap your feet on my palm. Do it as fast as you can. Okay? Alright. Do it very smoothly. Can you start? Very smoothly. Yeah, nice. Just tap it. Just tap it. Yeah, nice. Now this palm. Oh, very nice. Good. Stop. Okay. So what you have to do now is you have to touch this finger alternatively, and you have to touch your nose also, and do it very fast. Okay, as fast as you can. Now my finger will be moving, right? Okay. So start. Yeah. Do it very smoothly and very with your all concentration. Alright. Okay. So now Meet, what you have to do is, this is my finger right here. Okay, can you see my finger?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what you have to do is you just have to raise your hand and you have to touch my finger. You have to raise your hand and you have to touch my finger. Alright? With your both open eyes. Okay. Can you do it? Yeah. Do it very concentratedly and very clearly and smoothly. Alright, start. Keep your hand up. Very normally, yeah. You can go slow. Okay. Now wait. Keep your hand up. Now close your eyes. Close both of your eyes. Now again try to do the same movement. Yeah. Okay, nice. Again go. Nice. Yes. Yeah. Okay, again. Try to do it several more times. Okay. Try to do it again some. Yeah. Okay, alright. Yeah. So now what you have to do is you just have to put your heel of the one leg on your knee and you have to slide it down until your feet. Okay? And do it very smoothly. Sure. Put your heel on the knee first and slide it down up till here. Do it very smoothly. Okay. Now with the next leg. Yeah. Slide it down from here. Yeah. Very smoothly. Alright. Thank you. And do the same movement again. Close your eyes with knee with the on. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Do it very smoothly, very patiently, very calmly. Yes. Now with the next leg. Yeah. The next leg. Yes. Okay. All right. Give me your hands and pull your one leg up. Yeah. Now do now hop in one place very smoothly. Yeah, nice. Now with the other leg. Okay, very nice. Now again pull your one leg up. Yeah. Now just squat a bit. Nice. Nice. Now with that leg. Nice. Nice. Now just straight. Okay. So keep your leg straight like this. Yeah. Now what you have to do is keep your hands still. Yeah. Now just stand still. Okay? Just stand still. You don't have to fall. Just stand still. Okay. Now close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Now and you have to stand still. You feel like you are falling? No. Okay. Stop. Keep your arms like this in this position, and you have to maintain this position. And close your eyes. Now maintain this position.